Dear learners, today in this lesson, we are going to talk about the past continuous tense. How do we use this past continuous tense and when do we use this past continuous tense? Let's start this lesson with a practical example. This is my phone and this is here a glass of water. After some time, I can express this situation in this way. I was drinking water. Longer action. I was drinking water when my phone rang. I was drinking water when my phone rang. I'll write it here. I was drinking water when my phone rang. So this is the past continuous tense. Now let's study one more example situation. I will wipe it out. One more example situation that's written on the board. Yesterday, so it's clear, is the first word of the line. Yesterday, it means we are talking about the past. Yesterday, my friends and I played cricket. We began at 9 o'clock and finished playing cricket at 10:30. Okay? 9 o'clock and 10:30. So this time 9:30. 9:30 is in the middle. So at 9:30 we were playing cricket. At 9:30 we were in the middle. We were in the middle of the playing cricket. In the middle at 9:30. And it's also clear we hadn't finished playing cricket at 9:30 a.m. I mean that yesterday. We were playing cricket. At 9:30 we were playing cricket. Okay? In this way we use the past continuous tense. And what is the structure of the tense? We use subject plus was, were, plus first form of verb v1 plus ing plus object. Object. I was eating food. I was eating food. He was eating food. She was eating food. Now, you not was. Now, were. You were eating food. They were eating food. Eating food. We were eating food. So it's clear. We use was with I, he, she, it, and we use were with you, they, we. Okay? Plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. And we follow this structure to make affirmative sentences. To make negative sentences in this tense, we follow this structure. Subject plus was, were, plus not, plus V1, plus ing, plus object. I was not eating food. Eating food. They were not eating food. Okay? To make interrogative sentences, we follow another structure. What were plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. Was she eating food? Were they eating food? This is the structure of the past continuous tense. You practice more and more, you will be confident and perfect. Thank you, dears. And next time, I'll be with you past perfect tense. Thank you, dears.